Tracy. Welcome back. I wanted to show you what I created for the month of July. We're going to go over the pages real quick that I made. There are videos for all of these. I'm still working on, the sound on my videos vary. I don't know why. Sometimes I think it's because the air conditioner is on. Sometimes I think it's because the fan decides to blow on my computer and it's throwing the sound off. I don't know, and I can't control either one of them. So just bear with me as I try to figure out what causes the variance on the sounds. So anyway, here is the first one. It has the one photo. And I didn't show you how I had put the word explore on there. And then the second one has two photos, lots and lots and lots of sequins. Here's the third one with the three photos, using my bonus as my background paper. And then the last one, I'm using 4 photos. I decided to use some white cardstock to do my Distress Oxide and those life-changing brushes. And don't have a heavy hand with it. That's my key with that. That's what I remember from that. So this is all of the pages that I had created. Let me show you what I have left over. So of all the pieces that I had and I trimmed, these are the only pieces that I have left over. And then these were left over, excuse me, that I could have used, and they're for cards. I apologize. My camera keeps cutting out. I don't know why. But here's all the papers I have left over. And these are the ones that she says to use on cards, but I won't be doing that. That's okay. I will just save them and put them away. I'm not going to save these. I don't really like this size, so I'm going to throw them away. As for the little frames with, the pom-poms, I only used the pink one. That was the one that I was drawn to. The 6x8 pad, I only used one sheet from that, and that was to make a mat on the first layout. And here's the puffy stickers. Well, my camera really doesn't like me today. I didn't even know it turned off. Anyway, so here is the puffy stickers. Here are the sequins that I have left over. I probably didn't show you at the beginning how many I had, but I used a lot. And then here's a little bit of this one. I can't believe I just about got that one used. And let's see. Let me show you the alpha. I used every single one. I used some of this one. I didn't have to touch this one. I used this for the first page, Explore. I used the white alpha. I used this one, and I used this one. I didn't have to open this one. So that was exciting to be able to just use it. This is what makes it go quicker, is by having all your supplies together. I really like that. Let's see, and as for the embellishments, here, let me show you width-wise. This is how much I have left over. I had quite a bit. I had 2 packages that I used, but there's plenty of florals in here. There's some bicycles. There's some like generic ones, a lot of travel ones. So I need to go ahead and put those with my travel. This is from that Chasing Adventure. So I have the I have some other things that can go with this. So I will be using this up. And then washi. There was some washi. So there is one more roll of washi, but I don't know where it is. And I never used it because Sophie knocks them off the table. Those of us that have cats, we totally get it. This is what they do. I found these 2 on the floor and I used both of those, but I can't find the third one and I don't remember which one it is. I'll find it eventually, but these are the 2 that I did use. And I believe that was it. That was everything that was in my kit. It was great being able to use all the things up and to make the pages super, super fast. It did help by having them already pre-cut. Thank you, Janet, with RTS Scrapbooking, with coming up with this great plan, this 4x4 summer. It was so much fun. I can't stress enough of how quick it was to put these pages together. So if you are kind of stuck and you want to get some scrapbooking done and you don't have a lot of time, I recommend doing it the way that she says, because I probably did, I think the longest it took me to do a page was 40 minutes, and it was only because I did the distress oxide in those, you know, on the white cardstock and the brushes. Alright guys, thanks again. Make sure you check out the other ladies as well as Janet's channel. I'm going to leave links below. And of course our Facebook page, the Mini Kit Monday Challenge Facebook page. So make sure you check that out as well. There's a link below in my details for that as well. Any questions, comments, I'll do my best in answering them as quickly as I can. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.